It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Y'all, this video right here, this is so not planned. Y'all, I ain't even fixed my hair fully yet. I just hopped out the shower and was like, yo, I'm doing this video because we gotta talk about this. This has to be talked about right now, like right now. My glasses is giving a glare and I don't like when it does that because then it makes it hard for y'all to pay attention. So yeah, this is me, no makeup, no nothing. Y'all know how we do. Fresh out the shower, okay? Bath and Body Works online sale started today. I didn't wake up 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I was still asleep, which is surprising because I went to bed early. I went to bed around like 9 something, and I was like, yeah, I'll be up in time. I'll get up, but I didn't wake up till like 8. And first thing I saw on Instagram is Since Galore, and she's like showing the line that I showed you guys yesterday for 75% off, saying that these items are 50% off online. I'm like, what? Like, they're supposed to be 75% off. What's up? So I mosey on to online. Yeah, they don't have anything 75% off online. Yeah, online has 0 items for 75% off. And peep this, y'all. Peep this. They aren't even doing that deal that they were doing on the candles, because I was going to get that pomegranate lemonade today, and I was waiting for the SAS to start so I can get everything all at once. Yeah, that's no longer on sale. That's $24.50 again. And the they have some candles on there that were from last winter. They're going for the half off. So, you know, in Tina fashion, I got to get on here and talk about it. And I'm trying to be calm at this moment because I'm trying to see how to put my words together. You know when you mad and you like what the and you like, just like when you're mad with your kids. You got to take a minute. You got to see how you're going to formulate this and say this, because this is not planned to talk about. And I'm trying to keep in mind that they just donated $1 million to stop racist and racist things and all that. So I'm trying to keep that in mind with the words I say, because they're not like a horrible company, you know. But I think I'm just going to say it, because if I don't say it, this video is going to take forever. Bath and Body Works, what the hell are you doing? I just had to say it like that. What the hell are you doing? Because you know what? That ain't right. What you did to those people that cannot get into stores, that ain't right. 50% off, that's a buy 3, get 3. Why did you do that to people that can't get in the stores? You're loyal people. Loyal people. These customers are very loyal, and their stores are not open. It's not their fault their stores are not open. It's not their fault their stores are not open. And then you sit around there and you make things only 50% off. You slap those people in the face even more. And you got rid of Rakuten. So people can at least get some cash back. Don't worry, if you got Ibotta, you can use Ibotta though. But that's if you're going in the stores. But your store has to be open. I honestly, I have no words for this. I figured that the online would be better because they knew people could not get into stores. And I figured they would offer some type of free shipping or something, give people something. And the fact, sorry, guys, my hair. The fact they gave you absolutely nothing, and then they slapped you in the face saying, here, this is a buy 3, get 3 free. They might as well call it a buy 3, get 3 free. I've never seen Bath and Body Works online only do 50% off at a SAS and have nothing 75% off. They are taking advantage of what's going on with COVID. And now they have made it perfectly clear that they're taking advantage of consumers that cannot get in stores. And that really sucks. And to say, oh, I'll never buy from them again, that's a lie, because I'm going there now. Like, what time is it? I'm leaving out of here in about 10 minutes to drive to the Westgate location because I really want the scrubs, but I'm not doing it for a buy 3, get 3 price, because I think online, like, the scrubs are not even $5.95. They're not even $5.95 like they are in stores. So if you go in stores, you can get the scrubs for $5.95. If you order them online, I think they're a part of a buy 3, get 2 free right now or something like that. They're not even on sale. They're not even a part of the SAS. Like, where they do that at? Like, Why do you take advantage of your consumers like that? They are true F-boys. Seriously, they're being true F-boys right now. And I feel bad for everyone that has to order online because they're getting taken advantage of, point blank, period. I would say if you're going to order online right now, is not the time. Give it another week, give it 2 weeks. See if things will go 75% off. But y'all, honestly, I've never seen Bath and Body Works take advantage of customers like this before. They are one of the few companies that are always praised for having great customer service, great customer relations, great experience. And now the fact that COVID's here, and that some people are at mercy to their online, they have really became a bad company when it comes to customer service, in my opinion. They are not who they used to be at all. I think in stores it's still a really good experience when you're dealing with the workers, because the workers are very, very kind, and they try to make up for your wait and all that stuff. So I don't think it's the workers. I think it's the company itself, and whoever did their marketing, you are really looking like a very horrible person. You are. For the people that wait and wait and wait for the sale, and you say, here's 50% off, that's all we're giving you right now. And the reason why they're doing that is because they want people to pay the higher rate right now, because they haven't been able to order anything in a long time, and they'll pay that 50% off. But if you were smart, I'm telling you this right now, if you were smart, you would wait for some of the stuff to go 75% off, because in stores, some of the stuff is going 75% off right now. I normally see the in-store deals at the outlet better than online, never at a regular store better than online. So this is really, I don't know, this really is making me feel some type of way about the company. Like, I think they should have been like other companies. Other companies right now are like, y'all, come to the store, we're doing this deal, or come order online with us, we'll give additional 20% off. We're doing free shipping over 75, all kind of deals to get you to order from them. Bath and Body Works, yo, we about to F y'all right now. Y'all gonna take it, and y'all gonna pay shipping, and y'all gonna pay these high prices because we are Bath and Body Works. And it's like, bruh, it ain't that serious for a candle. It ain't that serious for a body wash. It's not at all. So I can't believe this. I can't believe I have to make such a bad video about the SAS Online. So far the SAS Online is garbage. You know, if you're going to order, go ahead. I mean, I'm waiting, and I'm mad I didn't order the pomegranate lemonade and got my 2 Inspire items, my 2 free Inspire items, and my pomegranate lemonade. I should did all that yesterday, but I was waiting for SAS because I thought they was going to pop off with something, and I was going to be like, yeah, this joint lit. It's garbage. If I go in stores, well, I'm about to go to, like I said, the Westgate Plaza. I'll let you guys know if they had the body scrubs, because that's all I'm after at this point for the $5.95. If they don't have them, I'll just wait till next week, and then probably just ride up to Temple again next weekend. I'll call them first and see if they have them. If they have them, I'll go get them. But I don't know. All in all, this SAS has been very disappointing. The only thing that's on my list besides, you know, getting those and the whipped vanilla chiffon, I think it's the 2 things from Inspire is the pomegranate lemonade, it's the scrubs, and the wallflowers. I'm waiting to probably like the very, very end to get the wallflowers, because I use about 12 wallflower plugins a month in my house. Yeah, we go through a lot. So I need to stock up on them, but I don't want to stock up on them for $3.50. I know they're going to eventually go down to $2. So I can wait, and if I get the tail end of those, I really don't care, because I really don't care. As long as it's like something that's lemony or something like that, it's fine with me. So yeah, so guys, I'm gonna wrap this up and get up off here. But if you didn't see my haul from when I went to the Temple Mall yesterday and the walkthrough, definitely go and check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below of the SAS Online, because like I'm smiling to keep from being like, yo, blah, 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 because y'all, I can get real ghetto real quick. And y'all know I'm working on myself. God is working with me. So I'm trying to be all collected, but I really want to say some things I really want to say, but I really don't want to say them because this channel is PG-13. Okay. But Bath and Body Works, y'all dead wrong. Y'all dead wrong. And whoever came up with the concept, let's screw our online customers that have no choice but to be at our mercy. Y'all ain't ish. Period, poo. Y'all ain't ish. And I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm leaving it at that. I'm gonna get off here because I gotta go. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Let's talk. I'm here all day because I'm taking a new lease on my life anyway. So I'm giving more time to y'all. I was gone for a little bit. I know because I was on, y'all, I'll probably make a video on it, but let's just say I'm back. I'm focused. I'm focused, man. I'm focused on being me and on here and just focusing in my lane, just staying in my lane and my priorities. So yeah, I love you guys. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.